Welcome back to the frontier. Today, we hunt a legend. They call it the Lantern Wolf, a creature said to glow in the dark, feared for generations.
Reports place the Lantern Wolf, a fantastical beast appearing like a timber wolf, thousands of miles from home.
Every expedition begins by leaving comfort behind.
This land is ancient, where forests outlasted kingdoms and legends were born.
But the real journey starts on the ground.
Locals say the Lantern Wolf appears only when the woods go silent.
They mentioned your glowing eyes and the howls in the night.
Every story leads to the same forest. When legends are real, they leave traces. This is when it shows itself. Something was here.
Some legends aren't meant to be found, only followed. Like, subscribe. See you next time.